We are bringing back the black hair. Look at that. So I'm finally in a place where I can show you my black hair because back in December, I got a terrible haircut on my birthday. On my birthday. I wanted to cry, but it's just hair. It will grow. So I got a wig. I covered it up. So you will see me in my previous videos na blonde hair. It was just a wig. It takes a lot of time to put it on, and sometimes hindi siya komportable while I'm filming because it goes everywhere. So I'm ditching it for now, and we will go back to the basics. So we have 6 fragrances in front of me that are the classics. We have the crowd favorite, of course. We have Bare Vanilla. We have Velvet Petals. Itong dalawa yung pinaka na-hype, I think. Correct me if I'm wrong. And then we have the OGs. We have Love Spell, and we have Victoria's Secret Pure Seduction, and another OG. We have Amber Romance, and I think this is also an OG. We have Coconut Passion. I just have the shimmer, but it's parehas naman yung amoy niya siguro sa regular. So we'll start with the favorite. Ito yung paborito ko dito, which is Bare Vanilla. So Bare Vanilla is whipped vanilla, soft cashmere, skin to skin. So, alam na alam ko na yung scent na to kasi I have collected a few of their variations ni Bare Vanilla, and they're a little too similar. Yung mga Bare Vanilla, yung mga Bare Vanilla variants, medyo pare-parehas yung, especially sa dry down nila. Parang pagkakaiba lang is yung opening, but I haven't tried all yung variants ng iba. Because it takes a lot of time, energy, and money, of course, to collect all those. But this one is for those who love vanilla. This is for the people who like a sexy vanilla scent. Vanilla na may cashmere, some woody notes in here. It does say that it has soft cashmere. So cashmere is a woody type of note, but it's creamy, it's sweet. It's not too cloyingly sweet like a typical gourmand from a Bath and Body Works. It's not that cloyingly sweet, pero yung may mga tao akong na-meet dito sa YouTube na nahihilo sila sa cashmere notes, sa woody notes. So this might not be for you, but if you like a sexy grown-up type of vanilla, this one is for you. Marami ding boys na nagkakagusto sa Bare Vanilla. I think my boyfriend is an exception because he's more like into floral na scent, but most guys love a good vanilla, a sexy vanilla on their girls, and kaya marami nagkakagusto dito kay Bare Vanilla. So yeah, if your guy likes sweet scents on you, try Bare Vanilla. Malay mo magustuhan niya. So yeah, check out Bare Vanilla. Let's move on to the next fave. So we have Velvet Petals. So I'm picking this in order ng nagustuhan ko. So yeah, we have Velvet Petals. So this is Lush Blooms Almond Glaze Made You Blush. So this is an almondy, very nutty na scent na very sweet. It's a warm scent. I like wearing this one when it's cold kasi I find that it can be very cloying kapag mainit yung panahon, tapos hindi ka sanay sa mainit, baka hindi mo to magustuhan. Meron siyang bulaklak na notes, but still it's more like a sweet, warm na scent, very nutty because of that almond. I think it has a little bit of coconuts in the dry down. Correct me if I'm wrong. Maybe it's the almond that smells a little bit like coconutty to me. It's not like a coconut like amoy latik, but maybe just a tiny bit of it. So yeah, meron siyang bulaklak, but it's sweet, like ang pag-describe sa akin ni Jowa, ni Chan is like bulaklak na cake. Amoy bulaklak na cake. But someone described this one as parang bulaklak na ma-candy. So yeah, it's Velvet Petals. So marami din nagkagusto nito. This was hyped a few years ago, I think. Or nung lumabas siya. So marami nagkagusto nito. You might want to check it out if you like warm, sweet, floral type of scents. Next one, we have Coconut Passion. So Coconut Passion, we have it in shimmer. So this one is a very warm scent as well. Very coconutty. Yeah, coconut and vanilla. It says here, Island Coconut Warm Scents Shimmer Days Forever. So, binili ko lang yung may shimmer, but it's the same sa classic. I should have bought yung classic, but I plan on using this one in summer. Kasi para siyang summer scent. It's warm, but parang siyang beachy, coconutty na scent. But it's not too warm naman na like a gourmand, but it's still a warm scent. So, pwedeng makahilo to sa mga sensitive nose. If you don't like coconuts, you might hate on this one, but a lot of people find this as a sexy scent. I think matagal na to sa Victoria's Secret, so that shows na maraming nakagusto dito kay Coconut Passion. Coconut. Nababahinga ako. Maraming nakagusto nito, and maraming naging signature scent to, I think. Moving on, we have Amber Romance. So Amber Romance, look at that. We have Deep Amber Sugar Kisses Chasing Sunsets. That's what it says in the back. So yeah, I do not like this one at all. It smells too synthetic, like a sweet synthetic amber type of scent. Hindi siya yung tipong amber na gusto ko. I like amber when it's like in small doses sa fragrance, but for this one, it's like it's the main focus of the scent, and it's a sugary sweet type of amber, but it smells too synthetic to my nose. It's a little bit more performing than the other fragrances na freshies in my collection. So if you like yung mga sweet na amber na scent, it's a perfumey type of scent. Bakit ba pabalik-balik? It's like heavy on the amber. It's a perfumey type of scent. For some reasons, it reminds me of the type of scent na para siyang 90s or 80s. It's more like an old DNA. Parang pabango na lumabas noon. It doesn't smell modern to me. It might be different for you. These are just my opinions, so please take them with a grain of salt. These are just my humble opinions. So para sa akin, it smells too synthetic, sweet, amber in a scent. But you might like this one if you like those type of scents. I'm not gonna judge you. It is a beautiful scent. It's a perfumey type of scent, but it's just not for me. Next one, we have Pure Seduction. So Pure Seduction, matagal lang nandito sa akin, pero few sprays missing lang. Parang ilang beses ko lang na spray just to smell, but I haven't really used it up. So I'm gonna sell it. So oh yeah, we have Juiced Plum crushed freesia all night long. So this is heavy on the plum. This is heavy on the fruity, sharp, sweet scent na may pagka a little bit alcoholic, like a fruit punch, like a juice. Alam mo yung juice na medyo may pagka fizzy. I don't know if I'm describing this correctly, pero ganun yung dating niya sa akin. And yeah, it's a sweet, juvenile type of scent. It reminds me of high school. For some reasons, parang it reminds me of that type of colognes that high schoolers wear. Yung mga Ellipse, yung mga Louis and Pearl type of scent. It reminds me of that. I know it's not exactly the same probably, pero it reminds me of that sharpness na ayokong naaamoy when it's hot outside. So it's always hot here in the Philippines, so it might not be for me. Actually, it's not a might. It really is not for me because it's too young, it's too juvenile for my nose. I don't like it at all. So yeah, pero mabango siya. It's a fruity, I can see someone wearing this one, like a teenager maybe. So my cat is meow meowing in the background. Please ignore. So we have the last one, we have Love Spell. So actually, kinuha ko lang to sa sister ko. So my sister bought this one a few years ago. So this is an old packaging, wala pa siyang ingredients. Binenta lang ng kaibigan niya sa kanya and she didn't like it. So natenga siya hanggang sa ganyan na lang na naiwan. Kinuha ko kasi akin na lang para reviewin ko. We have Cherry Blossom Fresh Peach, Impossible to Resist. Yun ang sabi niya. So yeah, this is also reminding me of the sharp, fruity type of scent na high schoolers use, like Louis and Pearl. Yung mga cologne nung high school days, yung mga 90s na cologne type of scent na sharp, na fruity, na sweet, na a little bit alcoholic, a little bit synthetic. I keep saying synthetic. All of these are synthetic. It's just that yung mga pag sinasabi kong synthetic, it smells too plasticky to my nose. Na parang mahihilo ako sa mga to kapag mainit, lalo na kapag mainit yung panahon. And I don't like being reminded of high school, so I don't like this type of scent, like a sharp, fruity sweet scent. I keep saying that. So, itong dalawang to, these are both juvenile scents. These are pwede for teenagers. Maybe for those with sweet tooth na candy-ish, very fruity na pabebe na scent for teenagers. For early 20s, pataas naman, we have Bare Vanilla and Velvet Petals. I think perfect na perfect sa mga dalaga and feeling dalaga. For these two are my favorites from the classic lines. Velvet Petals, so sweet, nutty na may pagka-floral, and Bare Vanilla for that sexy vanilla type of scent. This two right here is probably for a little bit older crowd. We have Coconut Passion and Amber Romance. I think 20s pataas pwede, but I think mas perfecto for like 30 pataas. These are just my opinions. These are just my suggestions. You can always wear whatever you want. I'm just here to be a guide. So, let me know in the comment section below ano yung favorites nyo sa classic line. Just gonna mention, itong apat na to, we have Love Spell, Pure Seduction, Velvet Petals, tapos si Bare Vanilla. Ito yung usually na pinapaikot ni Victoria's Secret na ginagawa nila ng limited edition na line. So, ito yung usually na may collection, like yung latest is yung Golden and yung Luxe collection. Niro-rotate ni Victoria's Secret on their collections. May mga limited edition sila, like Untamed collection, Decadent collection, Sun-Kissed collection, Frosted collection, whatever collection. Let me know in the comment section below kung ano yung kino-collect nyo. For me, it's the Bare Vanilla. Yeah, I'm collecting Bare Vanilla. I'm Bare Vanilla lover, and I think na-mention ko na ilang beses na that's my favorite on the classic line. And if this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you on this next video.